youths.
PDP.
Power to our women.
PDP.
Power to Eche people.
PDP.
Power to River State.
PDP.
Power to all of you.
PDP.
Ndeche Chikao.
Anka.
Chikao.
Anka.
Chikao. My dear brothers and sisters, let me thank the entire Eche people for coming out in your numbers to show that you are fully with the PDP River State, to show you are fully with PDP Rivers State. This number, the crowd here, is an acceptance of the candidates of our party in River State.
Yes, sir.
You see, you must differentiate those who are known to be promising without fulfilling. You remember that when we came here 2014, 2015, let us cast our mind back. What were the things we said to each other that we would do? The promises we made to you, have we fulfilled them?
Yes.
Have we fulfilled them?
Yes, sir.
Have we fulfilled them?
Yes, sir.
On the shore?
Yes.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
Simple. Anyone has said before, close your eyes and look at what it was between the greeter. How, if we knew, we would have brought a screen to show you how a greeter to Chokocho was. It was terrible. Was it not? Did anybody do it for you? Did anybody do it for you?
No.
When I came and I said I would do it, have I done it?
Yes, sir.
Have I done it?
Yes.
You are sure we have done it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we kept walking Yes, sir, we kept walking
Now, we told you that this Chogochu to Igbo Mokwishi was very bad. And we are going to put it in order. Did we do it?
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
We have done it.
Yes.
2. The third one, from Chogochu to Umwechem, to Elele, to Osusu. Have we done it?
Yes, sir.
Did we do it?
Yes.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
We came. We said we're going to do Ulako, Nihi, Afara. Have we done it?
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
You saw it?
Yes, sir.
Again. We said we are going to do Umuoye Road. Did we do it?
Yes, sir.
Have you gone there?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Yes, sir.
We said we are going to give you campus of university. No, so we talk.
Yes, sir.
Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
You don't go there?
Yes, sir.
The school there?
Yes, sir.
Fine. We came again.
Now, wow.
Now you know, from Chokocho to Ibodo, you know what it was. Don't be so.
Now, so.
To go to okay, he was a problem. No be so.
Now, so.
No be so.
Now, so.
Did I tell you I would do it?
Yes, sir.
I told you.
Yes, sir.
Have I done it? Yes. Have I done it?
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
I told you, HL people, this time around, you must go to Senate. No be so.
Oh.
No be so.
Now, so.
I don't give you.
Yes, sir.
I don't give you.
Yes, sir.
I tell you lie.
No way.
So, our own is not to tell you to do something.
No.
Our own is when we tell you that we will do something and we do it.
Now, so.
No be so.
Now, so.
Will you abandon those you are sure to those you are not sure?
No way.
You want to follow those bogey people?
No way.
Those lie people?
No way.
You don't follow them?
No way.
Now, let me tell you, we don't make mistakes. We said a chair will go to Senate. Don't be so.
Now so.
Having given a chair Senate, then the House of Reps has to go to
Omuma.
Not be so.
Now so.
Not be so.
Now so.
Now let me tell you a chair, people. Let us not be like other people. You see material, if you go bring people who know they go figure their name for somewhere. Look. When House of Reps, but gonna tell me the truth. He be like say a chairman did there.
No.
He be like say anybody from a chair did there.
Deaf and dumb.
They don't raise their hand before.
No way.
They don't pray before.
No way.
They don't say my name na this.
No way.
Now the camp people go still go there.
No more.
You go agree?
No way.
You go agree?
No way.
So na Kelechi will not get any dispute there. Not be so.
Now so.
Not be so.
Now so.
Senate all of our know the world. All the way go fit talk.
Ingo talk.
All the way go fit talk. Not be so.
Now so.
Ingo talk.
Ingo talk.
That place, it requires people who go sabi talk. So we no get problem. Then the two assembly people go follow the governor where they work. Not be so.
Now so.
So that everything where they go put for budget, they go make sure say he enter for a change.
Now so.
Do you understand me?
Yes, so.
So make nobody make no think twice. No make it not think
Twice.
This our squad for this state. Now no squad where nobody they near. Do you understand me?
Yes, so.
So not gonna make sure say nobody go take our vote. You go give other people our vote?
No way.
You go give other people our vote?
No way.
Now make I tell you what thing they happen now. Trouble don't come. Trouble it don't come. Trouble is Sakomo. Trouble is Sakomo.
It don't come.
It don't come. Now let me tell you people. I tell people, those of them in Abuja who are talking about anti-party, we don't catch them now. Now then they do the anti-party. I don't catch them now. And I told them, anti-party begins anti-party. Anti-party begins what?
Anti-party.
You know, say, we carry this small party here. When they do what the law talk, we carry them go court. APC, SDP, we carry them go court. And I see what they do now. The people where they for Abuja will say they be national. They can't go collude with them. Go write our lawyer letter. Make our lawyer remove hand. In order to kill the cases we will file. I don't tell our lawyer, make them remove hand. The case go die to no problem. When I heard you talk,
yes, sir.
Me too, I go hit them back by tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will hit them back by tomorrow. Nobody will go touch us when they go get wound for anybody.
No way.
Anybody will talk saying go touch us for River State, I will give them plenty wound for body.
Yes, sir.
And we have started it.
Yes, sir.
We are voting for our people here. Not so.
Yes, sir.
You cannot. Now you have told us you are doing anti-party. We'll show you what anti-party is.
Yes, sir.
We have not caught them red-handed. Now they start anti-party. Now they start. Who know the anti-party? Anyway, it has been in their blood. It has been in their blood. Now they don't show their hand. What can I watch for tomorrow? What thing will happen to them? When it happens to them, more can I not cry? They know they are our people here.
Yes, sir.
Make you not cry when armed robbers then catch them. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Because we go teach armed robbers pepper. Show
Yes,
them
sir.
pepper small. Make armed robbers don't say no good to go thief another person thief. Now so we go do them tomorrow. So
Yes, so we can pepper them. Oh, yeah, pepper them. Yes, so we can pepper them. Oh, yeah. Mr. Brother, pepper them.
So, Chief Imaya, all one of Yesu, Kelechi, party chairman, all of them, they will start work to tell us what to agree. All right, how that talk?
Yes, sir.
Anything where they tell where we agree, like that where we
Agree.
heaven no go fall.
You no go fall.
In fact, it better make heaven fall down. No go not say we dey before heaven
Fall.
Because every time we say we go heaven, heaven come fall. Not be better for us. Not better for us now. So that we don't go to pray to go heaven again. So I thank all of you now. But I don't say these few days we will get now battle to finish.
That's so.
Now battle to
Finish.
Now battle to
Finish.
If you say we not there, you no go there.
No go there.
Not be so.
That's so.
If you push us,
We push you.
if you quack us,
We back you.
if you like us,
We like you.
if you hate us,
We hate you.
so that is our own business. So make us go home, prepare, and we are fully prepared in this election.
That's so.
We are fully prepared. Waiting anybody they talk to election, we will day.
We there.
Anything we day.
We there.
So make nobody intimidate. We full ground.
That's so.
Anything we full
Grand.
So I thank God very much. This crowd, now the kind of crowd where they do they call a presidential rally. This one local government
Rally.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
This one local government waiting.
Rally.
But this one their own presidential
Rally.
where they go from where to where. I don't know where it be. So I know I call their state, some of the governors are my friends. So make it look like I thought you said their own now local. But of course you can't compare. If you didn't dare, you didn't dare.
How many them day? Why we no go win them? How many them day? Why we no go win them? Yeah.
So I thank you very much and God bless you. Thank you, Che people. Thank you, Che people. Chikau.
Danka.
Chikau.
Danka.
Chikau.
Danka.
Thank you very much.
National anthem.